Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. Got a 2018 Pete factory built cat glider. Go with a 3406 550 cat, 13 speed, 46 rears and full lockers. Fresh out of detail, I'm going to show you everything underneath the hood, frame rails, finish up on the inside. I have gotten it hot this afternoon, so you'll see blow by and oil pressure on the inside once we get there. Let's go ahead and get started. Blow by looks great. Southern truck, there's no rust. Tires, brakes, frame rails, all of it looks really good. Just below operating temp, but great low side oil pressure. Super smooth through the RPMs and climbs up there just right. Guys, appreciate you watching. If you got questions on this one or any other truck, feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also email me anytime to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.